have a box yet.
Look here now. Mistress Waitress, will you please warn this woman for me that I am very dangerous in the heart of karate?
Karate me! Madam! Karate me! Karate me!
You see this hand? This right hand is a dangerous weapon, not to mention the left.
Yeah, you see me? And me provide bread and butter for this a year life. And me have for me right.
Aye, you see you? You should be very lucky today that this waitress here saved your life.
No, I'm not busy with a boarding pass. Now, first come, first serve, as far as me concerned.
Madam,
But
please.
come sprawl out her little mom herself into the people and plane like if she own it. Them should charge you for malnutrition.
Hey, what do you want? What do you want?
Madam Waitress, please do warn her, you know, because I will damage her, you know.
Madam, where are your documents?
You know, I have a little dog puppy with much better home training.